So today I wanted to talk about the 3 wall tile substrates that I use, and that is Schluter, GoBoard, GoBoard, and Wedi. I'll run you quickly through what I like about these and what I don't. Schluter, it has a lot of products available on the market. So if you want linear drains, you want sloped and different shaped pans, your best bet is Schluter, and the product availability is great. This stuff is pretty darn expensive, but it's proven in the marketplace. Most people don't have warranty issues with it, but you get buildup in the corners because you have to tape everything. So it can be much more labor intensive to get this situation prepped. And this stuff is super bendy and light, and I just think it's like sort of, too easy to bend for a building product. Next thing is GoBoard. What I love about this is it's cheap. That's basically it. It's not cement board or hardy backer, so you can cut it with a razor blade and it won't make mess everywhere. You can get really sharp, clean edges. You could run it through the table saw if you want, and you can glue the edge to get a nice waterproof joint. So I love this stuff. It's a little itchy because it's covered in fiberglass, but it's a great product, but the product availability isn't amazing in all of the United States. What I love the most is Wedi. This is my favorite product, mostly because of the warranty and the ease of installation. Basically, you just caulk the seams and jam them together, and then you sort of wipe them out. And a child could really get the system installed properly, which is amazing. Wedi is probably the most expensive. A pan can run you upwards of $1,500 if you get a big fancy one. And that's pretty hard to add on to, $15,000 bathroom renovation where you're spending $1,500 on the pan. So that's probably one of the problems with Wedi, but I really like this product a lot. In my mind, it's probably one of the strongest of the boards. There's some flex in it, but nothing crazy. It's got this harder core, and the interior of this one is the waterproof membrane. So if you stab a hole in it, unlike the Schluter, it's not going to be a waterproof issue. Some of the other things I haven't used are the Latticrete system. I don't like cement board or hardy backer. I would definitely take hardy backer over cement board, but I don't use either of those anymore, mostly because I've seen a lot of failures over the years with cement board, and you really can't cut it straight. It's just a lousy product in my mind. It disintegrates. It's so much better than drywall, which, believe it or not, a lot of people still use in showers. I can't believe it either. It's total BS, but yeah, people do it. So that's just my quick thoughts on those. Some of them are soft, so the Wedi and the Schluter, you're going to need to use washers with your screws, whereas the GoBoard, you really don't have to, as long as it's got a big enough head on the screw. But that's what I use, so hopefully that helps. I know if you're in California, you might see people doing mud jobs, so it's basically mesh and a whole mud shower surround. I have nothing really to say about that because we don't do that here, but it seems pretty strong. If you know how to do it, you can do it for a relatively cheap price. So that's my thought on tile substrates. Hope that helps.